Alright guys, welcome back. The final part on the Citroen DS3. Unfortunately, we're going to have to take this front end back off because I didn't realise these go in beforehand, so they clip into the leg there. So I'm going to have to take all this back off. So we'll put on a little time lapse, take it all off, put them in, then put it all back together. And after we've done that, we've got the new bonnet there. Side clips here, so we get them on, headlights in, and then we'll just wait on the bonnet after that. So I'll set these up on a little time lapse and watch me take all this back off again.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to.
Alright, we've got these covers back on now. Wasn't too bad, took about 10 minutes to take it all back off quickly. Just pulled it back a little bit and slotted them in, because they're just clipping these side bits here. So, like there. So we've clipped them in. Get these bumper sport brackets on here now, and then we can fit the bumper. Then we'll have to get underneath and clip everything together. Yeah, we'll get them on now.
Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right.
Alright, we've got the bumper on, nice and flush. I need a bit of touch-up paint for there. All nice on top. Same on this side. Just need to attach all the bottom together. All the wheel liners need attached. I'll get that done. I won't record that though, because you won't be able to see anything. But get all them attached up, and then see what put headlights in. Alright guys, we had to take the bumper back off because the headlights need to go in first. So if you're doing it, make sure you put your headlights in first. And there was 2 brackets on the bumper bar that crash bar that needed put on. I forgot to put on, so I need to put them on. We've got it all back on now. I didn't record it. Headlights are in. Gap's good. Headlight sits nicely. Same with this one. Marks all over it, needs a bit of clean. But yeah, just need to wait on the bonnet to come on, hopefully Monday, and then finish it. Put the number plates back on. Oh yeah, still need to screw in the bottom as well. So that's what we'll do now. We'll quickly screw the bottom in, get it all fit nicely. But yeah, it's coming on nicely. Alright, so it's been a couple of days now. Screwed all the bottom in. Everything's attached perfectly. I didn't record putting the bonnet on just because there was a bit of faff with it, because this side here was curled over. Tried to straighten it out best I can. Same with this side, but that one looks awful, so I still need to mess with that. Just what happens when you try and buy them online. This is the old one. They just deliver them and don't take any care with it. It was just wrapped up in a box. You know, just sellotaped. There was no padding or anything to protect it. But got it all on now. Gaps line up lovely. Apart from obviously that top little corner. All the latches work. Just took on a little drive then. Absolutely lovely. Obviously this is a 1.2 turbo and makes big difference having a nice little turbo in it. So it just needs a good clean now. I need to change the coolant, so I'll get that done. What else? Do the coolant. Clutch feels spot on. Yeah, I think it's just coolant, or maybe an MOT, obviously a clean. Might have been something else, I'll have to have a look, but yeah, it's lovely now. Back end as well. Obviously it needs a good wash. Yeah, I'm very happy with it, apart from obviously these gaps are nice as well, sort them out. Oh, obviously this here, the only thing that lets it down now. All the lights work, drives fine. Oh yeah, it needs a wheel alignment. That was the only thing when driving it. Obviously the discs were a little rusty, but I've cleaned them up a bit, so that's good. There's discs on the back as well. Yeah, probably need new discs really. But yeah, the days it's looking great now. Alright guys, that is pretty much finished now. Spoke to the guy about the bonnet because it was damaged. He's going to send me a new one out. Just need to finish, put some coolant in it. It's just got water at the moment. MOT it, just Thursday, service it, and it's ready to go. But yeah, just had it cleaned, looking spot on. Gaps are lovely. Insured it and that, took it for a spin, spot on. Just show you, it's pretty clean now. But yeah, that's it all finished. Need to sort that a little bit out. Just the bonnet release. Gotta sort that out as well. Just little things like that. Not gonna bother recording any of it. But front end's back together. It's solid. Took for a spin. It needs a wheel alignment as well. Regassed. A couple little things, but they're all doing at the garage. So yeah, I'm very happy with how it's turned out. I hope you've enjoyed the series. And I've got a Polo and a Fiat 500 coming soon from auction, so stay tuned for them. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you later.